How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to make money from a website without selling anything. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training for me, simply comment below in the comments section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So how can you make money from a website without selling anything? The first thing that you can do is do surveys. Probably the easiest way to make money online is to do surveys. Very easy to do. I know it's not from a website, but you're not selling anything. All you're doing is you're completing surveys. It's one of the easiest things that you can do. Another thing that you can do is not from a website, but it's to make money from a YouTube channel. YouTube channel, very easy to make money. I know you guys are watching this video because you want to know how to make money online. YouTube channel, very good money, you guys. You make money from Google AdSense. And again, it's just from all the views, all the ads that are playing on your videos. That's how you can make some extra money. Another way for your website is instead of using YouTube, you can use a blog, a website, a forum. It doesn't matter what you use. And you can also put ads on there as well using Google AdSense, and you can make money from doing that as well. So there's lots of different ways to make money from a website without selling anything, you guys. Just by picking up that ad revenue, you'll make a lot of money. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.